Hello everyone, I think I'll call you Herbs from now on, like a city, a unity, a community. So yeah, Herbs sounds really good. So let's start again. Hello Herbs and welcome to a new product review. As you can see, I've changed location, not in the studio for this video, just because the product that we'll look at today is the Echo Auto from Amazon. This is the first product that I review and has the Alexa built in. I really like the box, but I really like how everything is packed inside the box. The first item in the box is the air vent mount. It has the air vents attachment at the back. It has the cable management rubber mount at the front, and it has the magnetic pad for the Echo Auto at the top. I will fit this mount to the air vents, but just check the Amazon page for this product because the air vent mount doesn't fit all types of air vents. The next product in the box is the power adapter. It's really nice to have two USB ports so you can charge the Echo Auto and also the smartphone in the same time. Then we have the micro USB cable. Yes, it is a micro USB cable. Unfortunately, it doesn't have Type-C cable yet. Then we have the user manuals, so all the startup guides that will help to set up this product. And we have the auxiliary cable, the 3.5mm auxiliary cable. It's 1 meter long, same as the USB cable. And at the end we have the Echo Auto unit. I really like how it looks. It's thin, it's really small. It has the smile right at the top, just between the action button and the microphone on-off button. On the side it has the LED light, and on the other side it has the micro USB port and the auxiliary port, a 3.5 auxiliary port. Also it has 8 microphones at the top, which will help to catch the voice really clear, so you can talk to this device even in traffic or while listening to music or other outside noise. And this is how it looks put together. I really like that it connects via the magnet, so it's really easy to take off and put it back again. Now let's check the app and how to set up this product. The app is called Alexa and can be downloaded for free from Google Play or Play Store and from Apple Store. Once you install the app, you need an Amazon account to log into, so make sure you have one. Then you need to confirm the first name and surname, and just click continue. Give Amazon permissions, allow, so it will access your contacts just in case when you give the command to call someone, it has access to your contacts and it can dial that person. Now you need to let Alexa to record audio, so it can hear your voice, it can memorize your voice. Yeah, and this is how the app looks like. And we need to see how to connect it. Add new device and groups. Okay, Echo and Alexa. Right, all devices on this one. Okay, you need to click plus and add device. Car accessory. I think it's car accessory called Amazon Echo. Let's go for the Echo. It would be the Echo, yes, Echo Auto. Do not set up while driving. Yeah, so you don't need to set up this device while you drive. And now we need to turn on the device. So for that, we just need to plug in the cable on the side. Yeah, it will be a mess, so stick to the end to see the actual setup. I'll just do it like a quick setup now, and I'll tidy up at the end. Okay, make sure I start the engine so I won't run out of battery. V6 power.
Hello, bonjour, ciao, hola. Let's get rolling. When you can safely do so, go to your Alexa app and add a new device.
Okay.
Lass uns loslegen. Sobald du dies sicher tun kannst.
It's already picked up, so Echo Auto O2RO. Continue. So it will ask a few questions just to identify how you can connect it. Can your car connect to your phone with Bluetooth to play music? No. Can your car connect to your phone with Bluetooth to make calls? Yes. Right, so because of that, my car will not connect with this device over the Bluetooth, so I need to connect it to with the auxiliary cable. Just give me a minute to connect the auxiliary cable and I'll see you in a bit. Alright, we're back, that's it. So continue, set up your car stereo's input to auxiliary. But first, if your phone is connected to the radio, to your car via Bluetooth just for phone calls, you need to cancel that connection.
Your device is ready to go.
And yeah, device is ready to go. It will ask me what is the default navigation app. I have Maps, Google Maps and Waze, but I usually use Google Maps, so I'll go for Maps. It will ask me the location to save some locations, so I can save the home address, the work address. I can save addresses for different locations or for friends, but I'll just set it up later. The Alexa app needs permission to make calls, so I've already done this. Now I can give the voice command to call someone or to text a message to someone and it will do it. Alright, let's see what these buttons at the top do. So we've got the mute, unmute. Now the microphone is in use, so it will hear everything that I tell. So for example, if I tell Alexa, what is the temperature outside?
At the moment, it's 13 degrees Celsius. Tonight, you can expect a low of 5 degrees.
Oh, that's great. Alexa, text Maddie.
What's the message for Maddie?
Hello, how you're doing?
Got it. Your message to Maddie says, hello, how are you doing? Should I send it?
Yes.
Send a SMS from your mobile.
So it is very easy to set it up. It's very easy to use the app. It's user friendly. It has all the buttons at the bottom. Let's say if I turn off the screen, then I will still have access and I will still control the Alexa just by saying, Alexa, play the audiobook.
Getting your book from Audible. Resuming the Art of Resilience.
Economy, movement and efficiency. Which is exactly why I decided to create a boat gym of Hecate to perform some very basic, very simple, very short.
It does work. So I can listen to an audiobook, I can listen to any kind of music. It's connected direct to Amazon Music from factory, but it can also connect to Spotify or to Apple Music or to, I think it's Dazzler or something like that, the other app. Unfortunately, if you have music on your phone, you can't play it through this device. You will have to have an account to stream music from. Alexa, stop. You can also use it for navigation, but for that you have to set up all the you have to set up the home address, and you have to set up or to save different addresses on your device on the Alexa app on the smartphone. Once the home address is set up, then you can use it to navigate to different locations, but I'll try now just to see if it works without me setting up the home address. Alexa, navigate to Wembley Stadium.
Would you like directions to Wembley Stadium on Wembley in London?
Yes.
Okay, getting directions.
It will open the Google Maps app on the phone. So if I have a phone mount, I can actually place the phone over there so I can have a look where I'm going to. But it would be fun and would be nice to see if this device can actually tell how to drive and where to drive. So for example, if I turn off the screen of the phone, if I don't use the phone anymore, it will tell me on the next junction, just turn left, roundabout, go straight, or take the second exit, or whatever. I will test that, so make sure that you follow me on Instagram or on Twitter, or probably on Twitter, because I will add all the updates over there. Alright guys, so this is it. We've tested and we've reviewed the Echo Auto from Amazon. It is a really small device which I really like, and I'm 100% sure that I'll be using it a lot in the future. I like it that it's really small, it's packed with a lot of technology, and it works over voice command. So I can text, I can call just by saying the command, giving the command. I can listen to my favorite music just by streaming from Spotify, for example, or from Amazon Music. And I can listen to my favorite audiobooks just by using this device. There is no need for me to actually get my hands on my smartphone, and I can pay attention to the road. If you're considering to get one of these devices, make sure that you have a look at the link which is in the description below. It is an affiliate link, so please use it because it will help the channel. We are back in the studio. I didn't want to do it. I wanted to film everything inside the car, but I remember something. I remember that I said that you need to disconnect the smartphone from the car's Bluetooth to make the Echo Auto work. And I've noticed while using it that I wanted to call someone using the Echo Auto, and whilst it actually plays the call, dialed the number and called that person, it didn't work through the car speakers. It was on the smartphone itself. So what I did, I connected the smartphone back with the car via Bluetooth, and when I've used the Echo Auto again, it actually worked. So although some say that you need to disconnect your smartphone from the car's Bluetooth, in my case I had to keep it connected because that's how I make phone calls. Other than that, it works perfect. I've used it today, I've used it yesterday, and I really enjoy it. I can ask for weather information, I can ask for other information, I can ask to place an order while I'm driving, I can ask to play music, I can ask to play radio. And speaking of radio, it works with Radio 1 Extra, capital Extra, so I don't need a DAB radio in the car. But the most important thing is that I don't need to keep the smartphone in my hand while I'm driving. I can pay attention to the road, and I can give voice commands to this device to actually do something that I really want it to do. So if you have the chance, go get it. It's a really nice gadget. I think the price is around £50 at the moment, but you can get it cheaper. I got mine for around 25 or 30 pounds, something in between. And yeah, I'm really excited about it, and I really enjoy it. We've reached the end of this product review. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to be notified of other great product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.